Hey, what up guys? We are gonna do a little video on these Meepo. Here, I'll turn the camera on these Meepo V3 boards. We're gonna have a whole video on how amazing they are and how amazing customer service Meepo has. So yeah, let's jump right into it.
We can go all the way to Walmart. What?
There's more stuff this way.
What stuff?
There's more stuff to look at.
Oh yeah, Christmas man. No cap. Hey, look at you in the Christmas house. Woo! We're vlogging now.
Yeah, we got 2 of them.
The other one is right here.
Sam, go crazy on this.
Hell no, I got a battery under this.
Oh yeah, you're right, huh? Got a ripstick right there. 2 of them?
we are vlogging now. Oh, I'll break my legs on that. With that?
No, you're fine. Look, if you just
Yo.
gotta put that in our channel, bro. I can't do nothing.
Yo, this gets the whole thing.
Yeah, I dropped
It was
in
literally
yesterday.
Really?
First try. I'm going crazy now.
Dude, man, like literally picked this up like two.
Oh shit!
Yo, mine is loud. I'm dead serious, bro. And look thick with this light, right? These nuts.
Some kind in the mail today.
I did.
These nuts.
Boards are amazing, guys. My friend has 500 miles on his right now. I should probably, yeah, let me turn it like this. My friend has 500 miles on his right now, and I have 10 because I got a new ESC because mine broke. They sent me a new part. They made me send a video to them to tell them it was broke, and they sent me a part for it. It was as simple as that. They shipped it out, fast shipping. It came here in 5 days, It was supposed to come in 10, but it's crazy, man. From China, fast shipping, 5 days. That's wicked fast. Now, the board itself is amazing. They have amazing customer service. That's the only reason I buy from Meepo. But the board is just phenomenally strong, and they're all compatible with each other. You can switch parts on and off if you get a different board, especially the Meepo V3. How do you like the Meepo V3? How do you like the Meepo V3?
It's the best board ever.
It's the best board ever.
I have 500 miles on my board, guys.
500 miles, and they give different bushings, but if you put the fast one, the heavier one to the back, and the quicker one to the front, hey, my remote! Funny story about this bridge. We were out riding our boards one day. Here, there, sorry, I had to cut it from here. But we were out riding our boards one day, and this man, he's pointing down there. He's like, yo, I dropped my remote down there. And I'm like, where? And I'm looking down there, and his remote is sitting there in his hand. He's still pointing there. I'm like, oh, I see it. And I just was so clueless. I was like, so stupid. And his remote's in his hand the whole time. So, but if you guys ever met this man, he's crazy. He's a crazy man. He's from Africa, and he's not afraid of anything. He's ate lion before. He's ate humans. No, I'm just kidding. He's seen something that we all won't see in our lifetimes. He's seen people get his heads cut off for eating food, like stealing food. It's wild in Africa, man. And look at him now. He's riding on an electric board that could buy him a car. But these boards are amazing. They're really fun transportation. I would recommend getting them up.
Man, I'm African. I don't like talking nothing. The only thing, if I'm talking, I only talk about people dead, dog.
Facts about us, we love riding our boards. He actually went to state for cross country. He's an amazing runner. We run all the time. Ooh, that's a big old hole. Ooh, it's their new Meepo remote. It's amazing. But now his motor is making a weird noise, and we don't know why, but it still works. I mean, see, that sounds like a little remote control car.
But it sounds like a V8 though, guys.
It sounds like a V8.
Comment down on that. Does it sound like a V8? Listen to that.
V8. Oh yeah, Bob. Yeah, he installed them LEDs himself. I do not like it because they break very easy. What the hell, man? My board's done, bro. What happened to it?
What happened?
The motor went out, dude.
For real?
I think so. I hope a cord got unplugged, but
What?
I hope a cord got unplugged, but I think the motor went out.
Or maybe you didn't put it right. Pretty sure you didn't put the wires right. Just
Well, why was it working fine?
just drive with one then.
Huh?
Drive with one.
Is it okay to drive with one?
Yeah, that happened to me before.
For real? You just drove with one? Alright, let's try with one motor then.
Dude, it's not the motor. Why do you always think it's the motor? Every time you just say that.
What?
You just be like, the motor went out, but it's not the motor. That's
Well,
what.
when I told you my ESC went out, guess what? My ESC went out.
No, you didn't. No. A long time ago, when I told you mine stopped working, he said it's the motor. I even thought that was the motor. I went and we opened the motor up and everything was fine under there. Remember that?
Mine sounds like a race car now. What the hell are you talking about?
It's just the wires, bruh.
Yo, this feels so weird.
Still, right?
Yeah, it feels so weird driving with one motor.
Get in the side. Get in the side.
Mine sounds like a real race car.
Are you full throttle?
Yeah, I'm not full throttle.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
What? How much you want to bet my motor's done for?
$30. $30.
30 bucks? Nah, I'm not gonna bet. I'm not a betting man. but dude, it does not sound. It sounds like a race car. Yeah, I'm on full throttle.
What is your battery?
Huh?
What's your battery?
1 bar. Bro, that does not sound good.
Stop vlogging that.
Why?
Don't tell them
Hell no, I'm not gonna say the boards is cool if it's not.
dude, you can easily fix it. Maybe you just
We'll see when we get back to my house. We'll see.
You have to cut that.
I'm not gonna cut it in my motor shot, dog. That's crazy. My thing sounds like a race car, dude. Sounds like a. Sounds like a.
You got a V12 now.
Bro, I got a V12 on my board. You got a V8.
Yo, you got a V12. Yo, what is my bull in there? Yo, let's get the frick out away from that.
What?
That.
Hey guys, what's up? We are back, and you probably are wondering what is wrong with the board. So let's jump into it. Indeed, my friend was right. It is not the motors. It is the new ESC. And I do not even know how this thing messed up once again. I don't know if it could be a circulation with the battery being too strong or something, but this is a new ESC, guys, brand new. They literally just released this version. And yes, I am very bummed, but it doesn't matter, honestly. I'm building a new board, and I'll probably use these for parts, or I'll reach out to Meepo and see if they can send me a new one. Now, here's the cameras we used to record. This is the Hero 7, and then this is the Black 8. And this is the one my buddy was using, and this is the one I was using. Just to show you guys around, we have 2 boards here. This is my board. He has his other Meepo board. I have a board here that I'm using for parts, and the bearings are on the ground. I'm going to use those bearings. Those are new bearings that I'm actually going to use for my new off-road board. And then we have 2 penny boards here. This one is a real penny board, and this is the fake one, the cheapest Amazon board. I might post a video on these 2, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to thank you if you stayed to watch the end of this video. I wanted to thank you, and there will be plenty more on this channel. Plenty more. We bought those GoPros actually today, and it was near like $600, but we want to just make some cool videos and cool content, so just stay tuned for that, and you guys take it easy.